Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norman Balewe and I'm a 400 level law student of University of Unilorin. So they postponed our exams. So our exams are no longer starting April 26th. They are starting May 8th. A lot of our lecturers are not having classes. I think I have maybe only 2 classes until May 8th and it's April 22. So like I have a lot of free time. I was like, okay, let me just vlog how it is as a student without any classes. So I know what to start this vlog now. I wanted to start now making my nails because like I want to do my nails like since there's extra like 3 weeks or 2 weeks before exams. And I was like, okay, let me just do my nails today, later this evening. Then this morning, and I got coffee, and this is the coffee. Like, so it's like this giving Oibo vibes. This is it. And I wanted to like just share like the coffee because one of my sister's friends wants to start like a coffee business in University of Unilorin. So it's like iced coffee, different flavors. It's giving Oibo aesthetic. The reason why I'm even like vlogging because like I'm not a big fan of coffee. Like I don't know how like the hype around coffee is. Maybe because I used to take like regular Nescafe, instant coffee. There's nothing like spectacular. So anytime like people are drinking coffee, I'm like, this coffee does not even really like to do my body because like coffee is bitter. And like if I have to drink coffee, like, I have to add like a lot of sugar and milk, and like that just kills like the effectiveness of coffee. Because like I can drink coffee and like sleep immediately. There's nothing energetic about it. I don't know. Like it's not like something that I think about. Like, oh, I want to drink coffee. Like it's just like coffee. It does not work for me, So I saw my sister drinking this coffee. I'm like, where did you get this coffee from? And I drank it, and I was like, and it was so nice. And I was thinking about it. And I was like this is like I can see the hype. Then I've been thinking about coffee, and I'm like been disturbing her. Like I know you have not started your business, but like at least let your friend make coffee for me, and I'll pay or whatever before you start your business. And he finally made it this morning, Saturday. And that time I already eaten. I made egg fried rice with rice that I had before, but still had finished. So I already eaten. So I said, okay, let me just put it inside the fridge. So see the coffee, like see, it was not in this exact cup. It was another plastic cup. But see the froth. I don't know. I'm recording my back camera, so I'm looking at the mirror. Like see the froth. Then so. I can see the hype. Maybe when he starts his business, I'll just be like, he's #1 customer. I don't know. Doesn't mean I don't have money. But when she brought it earlier this morning, I'd already eaten. And I'm okay, let me just sit at the fridge until like I'm ready. So it's already like 2-3, and I don't want to like take it. I'm not quite hungry yet. But like if I take it in the night, I don't know how effective it's going to be and make me like stay awake. And I'm trying to sleep early, even though it never works because like I want to be productive and everything. So like that's all for the coffee rant. The things I have to do, like since there are no classes, I want to do my nails. I've said it's like see the things, like this is regular nail polish. I had red dip before, but when I removed it, I was removing it like one after the other. So I'll just paint regular nail polish on top of it. So now like the hand is not looking as fine as it could be. So my nails lately have been like very low effort. So I want something like glam, but not too glam like all these gems, just like a lot of designs and artworks. So maybe like 3 hours, 4 hours this evening, but probably I have to start very soon. So let me see. I'm also recording another vlog, but that one might go after this one or before. I'm not sure. It's like my entire process of writing a novel because I'm writing a short story, 50,000 words for a short story contest. So I think nails, any other thing. Me and my friend wanted to give blood on Thursday. It's Saturday now. We wanted to give blood, but something came up and we did not give blood. I wanted to go to like the mini campus college to go and give blood, but we might still do it because Monday is public holiday Eid, and I don't know, obviously hospital will be open, but I'm not sure like how busy or how, if you get like, will there be people there that will be able to like attend to us, like to collect our blood and to give tests, the whole thing. I think that's all for the intro part. The colors I'm using are nude. I'm going to mix whites with this purple to make lilac, pink, white with the purple, then my base coat and top coat. Then I also have my IBD builder gel for strength, like to make the nails strong and not fele like all these manufactured press-on nails. So I'm going to pick out my size. This one, using this one. I wanted something long that I've not done before, but not too long that I'll not be able to like cope. Come, let me get light. So I think that's a little better. So I'm just going to pick out my sizes. I've been seeing a lot of people on TikTok like sharing like how they make their own nails. And I think like it's relatively easy because I do not have any like teacher to teach me how to do nails. It was just YouTube and Instagram. I don't know. I've not seen a lot of nail communities on TikTok. If you really like how nails look like, I want to do nails, but like you don't know how to start. Like, I think it's like very easy. You just go on YouTube and like just search. And personal nails seems like the easiest. It's just gel, like using regular gel and like painting on top. Then you get the lamp. But minus that, it's easy. Acrylic is going to be tougher, but it's not something that people can handle, especially if like you're used to doing regular nail polish. I don't like acrylic. Acrylic like it gives me this chest pain because of the liquid monomer. Or is it polymer? I can't remember. I don't know the names. That like the liquid used to give me chest pain. I don't know. Okay, so I think that's better. I don't know who sent me to come and do on hard nails. I don't know, maybe I should just stick to simple until I have proper time, because I have to do challenging the writers. You know, I said I'm making another vlog, so I have to write challenging the writers 10 keywords in the next 6 days. Then also my fantasy novel, I want to add a few subplots before April is over. And I got one tiny ghostwriting job. You know, I said I quit, but like I had to like, I don't know who sent me to take it, but I had to take like one tiny ghostwriting job. I don't know, I think talking is making me slower, so I'll just like show like my process. Maybe I'll do voiceover. In the end, these nails took me like 2.5 hours and I was done maybe before 5. I did not make them as long as I wanted them to. I don't know why I default to like medium length. Even when I want them to be long, I end up cutting them a little too short. And they were not as long as I wanted them to be and not as glam, but they're still pretty sharp. I don't know, I get, anytime I make nails, I don't like them at first. Then I get used to it and I'm like, oh, it's actually fine, it's actually fine. So that's how I felt about it when I first made it. Because it was just there. It was fine, but it was like, I always feel like it's not matching my skin tone. So now that I've been with it for like a week, I'm like, okay, it's actually nice. I like it. It's like very nice. It's giving Hercules vibe. Like the color palette, the nude, the purple, the gold. So I've been wanting to make a dedicated video regarding nails, press-on nails, gel nails, how to make press-on nails, how I run my press-on nail business in school. And I'm not sure if people are interested in those kind of videos. So if you're interested in me making like a specific video on nails, or maybe 2 or 3 videos, just let me know in the comments, because I've been thinking about it and I'm not sure if people are going to react well with it. The weirdest thing happened this Sunday. So we walked to the bus park and there was no bus. So the only buses that were there were going to Challenge or post office, and the ones that will come, it's either maybe it gets too full before we get there, or they're saying, oh, they want to take a 10 minutes break, they want to rest, that kind of thing. So none going to Tanke and we're waiting. So that's how we saw one car and a student came out of it. And we ran there because like there were plenty of students there. And we now asked the man, okay, are you going to Tank? He said yes. And we entered and he started asking us, oh, like how much is it? I'm like, I don't understand. You don't know the price to collect. Like you're a driver, you should know the price. I said, oh, he has not been here since like 1983 or something like that. I'm like, eh? Since what? One girl legit came down and like she's not going again. I'm like, should we come down? But the man started saying, oh, how things have changed since he came to Unilorin. He was like, oh, the education faculty is to be inside, something. He started talking. And we're just sitting down like, who is this man? And why is he driving us? Like, he was driving a Sienna. But the thing is that, apart from the buses that there are also Siennas. But many of the Siennas don't go to Tanke. They go to Challenge or post office. So we did not think it was like an unusual thing to enter a private car, because there were plenty of private cars that go to Challenge or post office. And all my friends were just sitting among us. I was like, hey, I hope this man is not doing anything though. So I wanted to enter a filling station to get fuel. But everybody was just so apprehensive. Was like, oh, okay, don't worry, there's nobody to go to get fuel and everything. Then in the end, it became a very nice place. So I was just visiting us. And one person did not have change. And I said, okay, don't pay again, like you can go. You can have a good day. So that's how the man was, and we got to church, and it was just a very unusual experience because many of the drivers are very, not like harsh, but like they are very straight to the point. So the fact that he was actually talking to us and gisting with us, so just that beginning part I was very suspicious, because I was like, should I get down? Because I don't understand how you don't know the price to collect. But me and my friend were just thinking maybe he just came to drop a student, and we thought he was a driver and he just wanted to like carry us. And maybe he just thought that, oh, this student just need a lift and he wanted to collect money. So we got to church and enjoyed our service.
I don't know how many of us are believing God for that. God is able to do it seamlessly, without stress, without strain.
Join me and my friends for another writing date. So we wanted to write in this place, Golden Plates, to get amala and write, but they were closed because it was a public holiday. We also went to Chill and Games, but we didn't really like their menu. We ended up with Nchisi, and even though they had like different options of ice cream, I ended up with my default, that's meat pie and Pepsi. So I'm currently working on 3 stories, but I was not sure of the exact one to work on. But I ended up writing the Challenging the Writers contest, and we wrote for 3 hours, and I ended up with 900 words. Because we had like 40-minute sessions and we have like a 20-minute gisting time. So we wrote and we go back to the hostel, and we're going to have 6 more writing dates in different restaurants on campus before the end of the semester. Who said? This person. So I just got back from the teaching hospital a few hours ago. So let me just tell you how everything went. So we got there. Like, this is far. Like, the first time I'm going to college. So you get to college and like you have to like, take another get to teaching hospital. And I was expecting, I don't know, I was expecting like maybe this small collection of buildings, but it's like a small city. There was the main hospital. Then there were like the hospital libraries. I saw one African egg something. I saw one pediatric something, a cardio, thoracic, like different units. So it was like, if I mistakenly come to this hospital and I'm really sick or I need help or something, like the fact that I have to walk for like 10-20 minutes under the sun to get to one particular building was frustrating. But thankfully, like the hematology department was in the main building, even though we still had to walk for like 10 minutes in the main building. Like, it was that big. So we got there and we saw plenty of people. I was underestimating the amount of people that would be there. And I'm like, hey, will I have to wait or sit down? Like, oh, if I say I want to donate blood. So me and my friend, we walked up to the reception. Not particular reception. Maybe it was like a pharmacy. And like, oh, please, can you tell us where I go to donate blood? And it was like voluntarily. And I'm like, did they come here involuntarily before? I'm like, yeah. And I was like, oh, was that like surprise? Like he asked us, are we joking? I'm like, do you think I'm going to come up to you and just start pranking you or something? I said, oh, are you serious? Like, oh, wow, God bless you. He was not really praying for us. You know, I was not excited. You know, I told us, oh, go to the hematology department. So we followed the direction to like a certain extent. We not asked on that woman. So when we asked her, okay, we want to go to the blood bank in hematology department or whatever, she was like, voluntarily, like, it was the shock on her face. I'm like, how many people come here to donate blood? Because I know many of my friends have donated blood in Unilorin, and I'm like, why are you so shocked that is like I came out of my own free will? So me and my friend were like, yeah, we came voluntarily. It was like, oh, okay. Then one man like showed us where he showed us. He directed, and we followed the instruction. We now got to blood bank. I will not see the amount of people there, and I'm like, are we going to wait? We now saw one random man now. He now said, oh, what are we doing here? He said, we want to donate blood. The same question, voluntarily, and I'm like, yes. And that took us to one other lady that was in a lab coat and gloves. I was like, oh, this wants to donate blood and everything. So that's how we got to here. Long story short, my PCV, can't remember the full name, was not enough to donate blood. I'm like, okay, that I can't donate blood. I'm like, after the hours, the transport money, I could have just stayed on my bed. So in the end, like, I did not donate blood. My friend did not donate blood. So we're like low-key discouraged, like, can we come back again? But we don't know the exact time like our blood is going to be enough. So like, it's going to be 2 months or 1 week. So is it that we're not worthy of doing good, helping humanity? But we get ya. So we came back and I slept, and now I'm just recording like the outro part of the video. I have a few other videos I want to record next week. I have a study vlog since exams are coming up, and I'm trying to like hit 2 birds with 1 stone. Then a few other videos for after exam. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Check out my other videos. You can check out the playlist section for like specific videos I want. If you want like Unilorin videos, it's there. If you want like writing videos or lifestyle vlogs, they are there. So if you read this part of the video, please comment, let's say, a star. Thank you for watching. Until next time.